The matter for unity don't dey make plenty Ambazonians then start for the get mental issues. Yes, they don't dey develop psychosis, and if care no be taken, they go skip to that level where they call and say schizophrenia. For people they never hear about this sickness before. Now that kind of sick way, we for Africa we always ever see am like saying a witchcraft. Where person go just shoot on so the talky one, the argue, they get some serious conversation. Like say they with some person. But if you just stand for some corner, the observe that person, you go see say they one. But we as African go feel say that kind of person, like village people then they worry. No, some sick they way they call and say schizophrenia, and with the symptom na psychosis. I no fit imagine say because of this unity, people the way na them they inside the house where they build this unity, the Ambazonian people them. Some person they for neighboring village, next neighboring village, I hear say unity day. Just because say for the picture, one of the criminal then they. That's what I go call him. He support the terrorism of that criminal. He will come out the debunk to a person where they inside the house of unity. He talk him. That kind of person normal. Then to it shock me. Now say he come out can the ask person where they in chain. Say me come out can answer questions them. Me and you we dey free for this outside where we dey now. I fit decide now off me my camera. I go miss how I go. No man no go hold me. You where you free, you the third person where they in chain. Say me come out can confirm. Say this unity na true or na lie. That person will need to go check his brain. I swear to God. So it don't make me come out today now for address this issue. My fellow Southern Cameroonians them. I still me una pikin Bazozo. So I don't come for clarify this matter. The truth na say unity never truly exists between these two people them. So if any man they propagate this kind of flyer for outside day, that person they only play with the mind of the people of Southern Cameroons, and they play with the mind of that where they don't brainwash them, where they don't choose for to call themselves Ambazonians. The last time I make I send message for diaspora them say they go break that their group. People the fees I don't forget. Una no mind me. I dey read all una comments them. I still give chance for people them for talk. I'll come back. We go get a conversation as Southern Cameroonian. Any man wey know say he be Ambazonian, you are welcome. We will get that argument together. Una yeah? Then I go prove for winner with facts. Say any man wey dey call himself say Ambazonia, he dey inside that project, he accept that project for some of these criminal them. That person a terrorist. The facts then be clear. The cassette will go play am. No be say I hear say we go bring am. Me I go bring am. I go present am for una. Because they don't threaten even me. They don't threaten we. But you know stop we. The one who will stop for the expose them. But they don't already forehand of the people of Southern Cameroons. So you this idiot where I see think for send message. Make people there they day for that your host country. Make them hold you. Take you go psychiatric hospital. I don't come for can educate you. What senior Congress come out clarify the issue of this unity. You come out can argue ye. Person where they inside the center of this liberation struggle they did. Come on can tell you say nothing where he did. You come. The question is, should they even get the guts for go ahead, call on our papa Sisiku Ayuk Tabe? You know they even fear. You know they even respect it. Say me come out. Come. can't answer this question whether the unity na fake or not true. We call the talk how people they don't lost life. You know how many people they don't lost and for your life. Plenty of una they carry emotions them. They follow we inside this journey where they go so. Plenty of una know the fight now because una want this change where all we want am. Una don't come out for can avenge for una people there they don't lost am. We una don't lost am. Or we don't lost people them, but we don't go crazy. We not go start get psychosis like we now. We not go start get schizophrenia like we now. Because when person go listen you talk finish, then they carry the truth, they put am for table. Say una see, then una try for balance the situation with where this other brother they talk. They go see say you decrease. Any man, he go know say you decrease. Your head no correct. You will come out and ask Sisiku. Say make he can answer whether this unity na true or na lie. You forget say Sisiku. Papa Sisiku. You forget say he get a structure. You know enter your brain say these people then get a structure. In the absence of Sisiku, who don't replace C? Even that person who don't replace C, he go get vice. Even that vice no day, he go get another person where go feel represent. Now so the chain day. You know if you even respect that chain of command, you just keep go the call Papa Sisiku, the question me come on can answer you. Ask who? When we talk say una decrease, Ambazonia they decrease. We say una go the can talk say oh terrorists, see enablers them, black leg. We go expose winner. Small. By the end of this video, I go play some other one. Still one of the supporters of this criminal. 100% supporter of this criminal. Them. One of this criminal. We already know Papa Sisiku. You know if he be criminal. The other one a very serious criminal. He developed it because of crimes, not even about the struggle, about humanity. For day. So one of the supporter them can talk say Ambazonian fighter them. Say they are fighter them. Me they no fear no nothing. Me they go for front. Me they do anything where they fit do. Say no fit catch them. Say they go catch na he. This criminal so na he be commander in chief. Na he they need for catch he. Hey God. I beg you. God I beg. Can't help we really need make Pope can visit we because healings will follow. Treat some of these people where they get schizophrenia. So they don't decrease. The schizophrenia don't even they affect the people, the boy, the way they hold this gun. Grace they their head. When you hear them come out, they do video, they show gun, they do other kind of thing, you go no. These people them they are gone. OT law. I say Yoruba person go talk. OT law, he don't go. You know if you see him again, you can't bring him back. Then person will come out and say, yes, the boys, they have the right to do that. All that point, they decrease no. Are they normal? So, we still get a very long argument for go because I still can prove the difference between Southern Cameroonian and Ambazonian. I still can prove another one. But today I just say I can't address this my brother where he decrease. When I see the message that they circulate for social media, I don't want to call name because before I come, I don't even want to get for camp because of this video. Because now the way I can't stand the talk, the manque respect. Tu manques le respect même à ton grand frère. You no go even respect he own services we don't do for this struggle. Where me and you will be sit there for classroom. They the brainwash we. We no ever know anything say Ambazonia or Southern Cameroon something. We no ever. I no ever hear. I no go lie you. Today you come now can't stand one challenge ground. Where na them they even for the level where they try for bring unity. Even if the unity no be genuine, them the struggle for bring that unity. You can't stand the argue, say talk, say unity day between these two people, and they even call Papa Sisiku. Make can they answer you? Your head no correct. For the last time, I beg people the way they day for around this brother. Una carry go hospital. If not, the case could worry. See una next time. Bazozo, na my name.
Phone, Victor, I tell you, this your manipulation. You will only manipulate and idiot them. You hear? They are talk the way they talk so. Any fighter way they listen to me. Don't listen to this guy from Victor way they talk say no day the way they will hold food soldier say commit some crime. Food soldier no fit ever go prison. If he commit any crime, they give a catch a commander in chief. Now lie, it the fool now. Now manipulation. So that muna continue for the duty on one do and be hope say they no ever catch now. Now lie. Any man where he don't commit atrocity, they go catch you.
They no fit ever put foot soldier for jail. Foot soldier fit only go for jail only when they capture him for battlefield. And he no go for jail for which way commit am. He no go for jail for which way commit am. Which way commit am, na the commander in chief always take responsibility. No matter, even they not do which way he tell them to do, even they do rough work, the commander in chief always take responsibility. That's why president no be army, but he be the commander in chief. Wey mean say he dey take full responsibility for any action. If they catch a soldier for battlefield, they catch it as a political prisoner. They will never catch you for any action we do. Now the commander in chief be responsible for any action done.
Mr. Victor Fon, you don't see no. Now why don't they talk say never ever listen to which way this guy that they talk am. Which you wanna they talk. Look at the action. Now they can't say that action and the action when a full soldier then commit them. So according to you, because a full soldier then commit that atrocity, that they're supposed to go jail. That's exactly what you mean. You don't forget say these foot soldier and they so when they don't claim them. You don't forget that one. You feel say that foot soldier and they so when they take them down, so they need to buckle their phone and they see information the way that they come from above when they give them direct instruction. Don't forget say Jace is still there alive. Oh. Don't forget say they take Ayagabacho, they buckle the phone. Don't forget say Benedict Kwai phone and Pascal Kiki them. They don't already they under tapping since before they even take them. Don't forget say people that Lamia and so. You don't read Lamia that which way they use them for convict them. You don't read them. Take your time, read them. You understand? Yes. That way when they make negotiation, then people that they arrest, give instruction, and they kidnap people, they sell on a ransom. Why when they leave, I think make Grand Zero because share the money for ransom. That time, no Grand Zero they work on that diaspora. But now when it comes to arrest, when I don't they push an ass in a foot soldier, then commit the crime. You see on a life manipulation. Regina Munzi ransom money they pay for Grand Zero. They don't collect enough abroad. So why when I believe many people for Grand Zero negotiate, collect the ransom money? Because now they commit the crime, now they face la Republic bullet, and then if international community want step in, now they go still face the consequences of going to jail for committing those human rights violations and that crimes against humanity. So una only for chop. When una don't push, they don't go commit crime now. The one who are responsible say now una push, una say no, now they be commit the crime. But when they don't go now, they don't reach now for time for ransom, una want collect the money. But when it comes to the point finger for kidnapping, una say no, now they do kidnapping.
When I say it committed by foot soldiers, they will never blame a foot soldier. They blame the commander in chief. They always blame the commander in chief. They will never blame a foot soldier. So your narrative we don't bring up may not make no sense. They will never blame a foot soldier. No matter what they do, they will always blame the commander in chief.
That 3 soldiers, the way they sentenced and so for la Republic to Cameroon for Gabon massacre, so it will be a commander in chief then. Victor Fon. This guy.